Shruti Hassan's alluring black cat attire in a stunning series of images is shared by the talented actress. Shruti Hassan exuded an irresistible charm while donning a sleek black dress that accentuated her curvaceous figure. Actors after garner attention not just for their on-screen performances but also through captivating photo shoots that showcase their elegance and beauty. Shruti Hassan, a prominent name in the film industry, recently graved headlines with her mesmerizing photo shoot that left admirers in a view of her allure. In a stunning series of images is shared by the talented actress Shruti Hassan executes an irresistible charm while donning a sleek black dress that accentuates her curvaceous figure. Her choice of a black gown with full sleeves paired with an elegant hairstyle adds a regal touch to her appearance. The enigmatic aura she radiates, coupled with her captivating gaze into the camera, further enhance her allure, complementing her look with perfectly matched black shoes. Shruti Hassan's all-black ensemble emanates a sense of mystery and enchantment. As the daughter of the renowned actor Kamal Hassan, Shruti Hassan has carved her own niche in the industry, starting her career in Tamil cinema with films like Puli and Pujai. She later ventured into Hindi cinema with notable movies such as Ramaya, Vastavaya, Gabbar is Black, and Back, and Welcome Back. Fans are eagerly anticipating her upcoming movie Salar, who she stars alongside Prabhas. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more information.